Remember like a month ago, I had a big water leak over here. What's the hose? Now we have a new cheap hose. Hopefully this one won't explode. There's some nice rubber ends on it. And put back in the cover. Back our valve, which is not leaking, but we thought it was leaking. You should really, I've seen it in the trash. People run a hard piece of copper line to these. I would probably do that, but no one else cares. So, 1/2 inch. Tighten it up. Made in Taiwan, China, like everything is these days. Hopefully we're not stripping it. And yeah, hopefully the thing goes over there. Let's squeeze to the crack. Gotta be small. Gotta squeeze? Maybe. Can't be fat. I got back here. Oh. See, I got a little skinny butt. Fit. Tighten it up. Okay, let's turn on the water and go viral. What the hell was that? Still leaking over there. Nope, something's wrong. Still leaking over there. Why? Well, that's not fixed. We gotta figure it out. Maybe it does need a new valve.